it's me, Owen, from Daily Brothers Living. Today we're going to do a unboxing of a tower garden. What is a tower garden, you might say? It's a garden that's vertical, and it's really high up. It's so easy that kids can do it. We're going to show you how to build one. The first thing that we are going to do is make sure that it's level, because this needs to be moist, and if it's not moist, well, it might go off to one side. You want it to be all equal around. So we're going to level it. As you can see right here, we're leveling it. And what else we are going to do is we're just going to make sure that it doesn't go crazy and doesn't go on one side. Because if it goes on one side, then what happens to the other plants? They'll die. Right now, we are going to open this. But before that, I have my little assistant Beckett.
Hi!
He's going to help me open up this box, the guard tower. So, let's open it, Beckett. Show them. This is what the inside looks like of the plant tower. And for this is how you make, this is all the stuff. 6 compost tubes. Right here, Beckett, help me unbox. Let's unbox. There's also capsule at the top.
I am a robot.
Beckett, this is a real robot. I am a robot. I am a robot. So here's all the tubes for it. Can you remind me? So these are the wings for the garden. Hello. And if you see these chopped off, it's just for shipping. So don't worry. It's not wool.
This is a nose.
No, it isn't. That's a foot. Anyway,
But
we
what
have
is
the towel
it?
base.
What
It's a
is
foot.
it?
I already said.
Oh.
So this is a base. You gotta flip it over first, and these are your legs, not your noses. Don't think that's your noses. You slide them in like this. Come on, Becky, let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's kind of tough. Just say that. I'll help. So you gotta push, slide. Can you get me one more Beckett? There we go. This is the last nose. I mean, it's foot. Let me see. Beckett, don't tell me that it's her nose, okay? And there you go. So we are leveling it. Let me check if it's leveled. Perfect. So you want to put this drawer in the Goomba's mouth or the base mouse, just to have fun. It's okay if you see this part because this is just for taking it out easier. Just do it like this. And there you go. Easy to take it out. So now we need to put the screen in. Hey, where's that screen?
I am a robot.
Oh, Beckett, you're just hilarious. Now you want to put it in like this, not like this. And now it's perfect. You can also take it out because of this handle, of course. So as you see right here, this is one of the circular things. If you see right here, it doesn't matter which one you pick, they're all the same. Now if you see right here, there's a little cut. And if you see this notch, you're gonna want to put it right on the cut, like that. Now push it. I think you might have to do it more than once. So now you want this, a plant wing. And see these little holes? You will have to put it in. But one thing you may or may have not noticed is that it can spin. So if they don't line up, don't walk around. Just spin it to check. Check. Just like this. And it is perfect. So now you're gonna have to repeat the steps of how we did this in this spot. Over and over. Let's go. So now that we did all of this, as you saw in the timeline, now it's time for the top. You can tell it's the top because it has no holes. Beckett is holding the cap of it. So now we're gonna put it on and we're gonna finish it.
You're gonna finish it. Let's see. How am I gonna finish this?
Now give me this. As you can see, the top and Shazam.
Look, your pocket's open. Why your pocket's open?
Stop it. Okay, it's okay. Now, all that's left is putting the dirt in. And it's super easy. It's a DIY project.
Yeah.
I'm going to pour in the soil, which my brother's going to do. You want loose soil so that the roots can go in and the worms can, swim around, scribble go around. So, Beckett, will you pour this in?
Yeah.
This.
Yeah.
Okay, pour. I'll help.
No.
Let's pour it together. There goes soil. You got it, Beckett. Oh. I wonder what happened to the worms that my dad bought.
Are these yours?
No, that's candy, dude. We need real worms. Real worms.
Okay,
Wait,
I'll eat
I
them.
think they're at the compost. Let's go, guys. So now that we put the soil in, it's time for the fun part, the worms. These wet wigglers, which they are called that, we half the body weight a day. We also have this compost. If you put them in here, the main job, break this down. Just like this. So, we can put stuff like oranges
Oranges
and bananas,
and banana,
eggshells,
eggshells,
and coffee filters.
coffee filters.
So now we put the worms in like this, get them out, and put them in like this. Right, wormies. The new home is here. Wormville.
It's Wormville.
So
It's
now
a
that's all
beautiful place.
gone, and now all the worms are in their little new home. Now we're gonna have to put orange peels.
Okay, orange peel.
Oranges, bananas, eggs, and
Banana.
coffee filters.
Coffee
The
filter.
main goal of how they decompose. How they eat it. And we'll see like that. So now we're gonna put this back on,
Then we get some more worms.
and
Then we're gonna get some more worms. Why you want?
now we're done.
No, we're gonna get some
Easy
more.
peasy.
We're getting more worms.
Lemon squeezy. So now that we did the worms, now we are going to tell you about this called a compost bin. A compost bin is good, and you put all your scraps in here instead of just throwing them away. You put them in there if you have one of these, and the worms will eat them. You might need a lid, or you will need a lid, because if you look in here, it's all going to be smelly, and you do not want to have a smelly kitchen. Speaking of which, put these in your kitchen. These are good in your kitchen. Best spot you can do it. Just saying. It's good and easy and portable.
Thanks for watching our video.
I'm unboxing the towel gun. It's so easy, a kid can do it. Subscribe, and bye, guys.
Bye.